Hi, I'm going to show you how to edit due dates on assignments two different ways. The first is through the individual assignment. Click on the assignment and then click Edit. And then if you scroll down, you'll see Assignment Access, Assign Access, and you can change your due date here. The due date is what'll show up on the to-do list for students. The available from date is when the assignment opens. If you leave it blank, it'll open when you create the assignment. And the available until date is when access to the assignment closes. If you leave it blank, they will always have access to the assignment. So you can choose to either leave it blank or make the until date the due date. Whoops. Or you can set it for several days afterwards, whatever you want to do. Once you're done adjusting these, go ahead and click Save or Save and Publish if you haven't published your assignment yet. And that's it for setting an assignment up with a due date for an individual assignment. Now we'll look at the assignments page and we'll adjust due dates on one page for all assignments. So click on Assignments and then click on the three dots in the top right corner and click Edit Assignment Dates. Yours may look a little different. It might look like this instead of this. So if it looks like this, click Control and use your scroll wheel, or you can use your browser and zoom out a little bit. But I'm going to use my scroll wheel so that I can see everything in a table. And if you want a better view than this even, you can close your navigation menu. Just click on the little hamburger button in the top left and some of your titles will be a little more visible. So once you have this, you can go through, and this is super handy if you have a lot of old due dates. You can just double click, delete, tab, double click, delete, tab, delete, tab, delete, and then go through and enter the correct dates. So I had everything filled out here and I spent 10 minutes just going tab, delete, tab, delete, tab, delete. But then I just entered the dates that I need right now. You can fill out the whole term, but what you really want to do is make sure that you don't have any old dates, even if the assignments are unpublished, as they affect Dropout Detective and the risk score that you see for students. Once you're done, just click Save. You can also do a batch edit. So if you click several assignments, you can click Batch Edit and you can remove all the dates. So that could have been easier when I was working on this, is if I selected everything and then clicked Remove Dates and then said OK. You can also try shifting dates and see if that gives you an accurate date. So if you had due dates in the fall, you could try shifting them 90 days plus a week or two, or just 90 days. I guess we started late in September, and see if that gives you accurate dates, and then just adjust where you need to. So there are a few things you can do there as well. Anyway, once you're done there, just click OK as well. And that should be it. Again, your due dates will show up on your to-do lists as well as your students' to-do lists.